Hello, first I'm gonna tell you something before I'm gonna sing a song. I'm speaking Norwegian, but in the videos I'm speaking English. I'm gonna sing a song by Lenka, and jeg måtte sånn litt selv. There's a big cat in the middle, life is a race, and I love the thrill. Don't know where to go, I can do it alone, I try, and I don't know how. So here we go, make it stop, or else my heart is going to pop. Get so much, yeah, it's so hard to be something I'm not. I'm not going out of love, nothing get enough. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze, and I always riddle. Don't know where to go, into the lone I try, and I don't know how. Never been lost in the moment, yeah, but I don't show it. I can't figure it out. It's bringing me down, I know. I gotta let it go. The way the show, sun is hot in the sky, science spotlight. The people follow the sign, and sunshine in the sun. Nobody knows like the flash. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. I live in my love's a riddle. I don't know where to go. I can go it alone. I try, I don't know how. Lost in the moment, I'm so scared, but I don't show it. I'm gonna figure it out. It's bringing me down, I know. I gotta let you go to the show. Just what you say. Just a little bit cat in the middle. I just made and I love the riddle. I don't know where to go. I can do it alone. I try, I don't know why. Just a little girl lost in the moment. I'm so scared, but I don't show it. I can't figure it out. It's bringing me down. I know. I got to let it go. Just know the show. Dum-dum-dee-dum. Enjoy the show. Dum-dee-dum. Dum-dee-dum. Just enjoy the show. Money back. I want money back. I want money back. Just enjoy the show. Money back. I want my money back. I want my money back. Just enjoy the show. I hope you enjoy, but it's not my best video. I I just have one, but I have another channel, but I don't want to share it because I don't like many of the videos, and yeah, like that. And I don't know how to delete videos, so please don't comment stupid things because I don't know how this video is. Okay, bye.